Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, ACE's home expert. And if you just don't have enough hot water, it might be due to physics and math. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, for most people, you've got a tanked water heater like this. And water heaters come in a bunch of different sizes, right? 40 gallons, 50 gallons, 75 gallons. And a lot of people think that, well, that's enough, right? I mean, that's all I need inside my home. Oh, there's also on-demand water heaters, but we're going to talk about tanked water heaters and why you may be running out of hot water. Okay, think about this. Your shower, when you're taking a shower, that shower head is mandated to use about 2.2 gallons of water per minute when you're in the shower. So on average, if you take a 10-minute shower, you're using 22, 23 gallons of hot water or warm water for your shower. Within this tank water heater right now, this 40-gallon heater, there's 40 gallons of hot water set at, let's say, 120 degrees. On average, when you take a hot shower, 70% of the water used in that mixer is hot water. So let's go with the 22 gallons that you're using. Here's the 40 gallons of the heater. When this is completely off, meaning that no water has been run in your home, this thing is full of 40 gallons of hot water. Now, you're going to take a 10-minute shower and you're going to use, say, 16 gallons or so of hot water mixed in with the cold water. Sounds perfectly fine, right? But you've got cold water coming in. And the way a water heater works is that cold water goes to the bottom of the tank. It's using physics, right? We don't want to introduce the hot water at the top where it's coming out, going to your shower, okay? Well, the minute that cold water, that 16 gallons or so, goes in the bottom of the tank, the hot water that's already in there starts to blend with it. So the longer shower you take, more cold water is being introduced up into the tank, and you'll have to turn that dial up a little bit more. So it's a combination of the total amount of water stored in the tank and how long you take a shower, which can be why maybe it's not as hot as it usually is. Now, how do you combat this? Well, you could install a larger tanked water heater so it's storing more hot water, and then as you take that shower, you just have more volume of water that's hot coming through there. But I want you to keep this in mind. In a case of a gas water heater like this one, 20% of what you pay to heat water is for standby, meaning that this water heater, when it's full of water and you're away at work or nobody's at home, is full of hot water waiting for you to come home, and you're paying to heat that water. And obviously, as we learned, when you're using it, you introduce that cold water and you don't really ever get a full 40 gallons out of it just because of the mixture. If you went to an on-demand water heater, which would cost you a little more, not only for the unit but the installation, you would have endless hot water. So when it's off, it's off. When it's on, it uses more energy to heat that water, but it only uses it when you need it. And so the benefit there is that once that shower gets hot, and it's nice and warm and you're comfy and you're scrubbing away and washing your hair and happy as can be, 10 other people can come after you and take a hot shower and not suffer whatsoever. So if you do the math based on how many people live in your home, on average, how long of a shower they take, and when they take it, you may be the candidate for an on-demand water heater. It is probably some of the best money you'll spend. And that's it. If you need more information, you can always go to our website, acehardware.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.